Hello friends, hope so all are doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy M22 network problem or mobile data not working problem. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing mobile data problem or network problem in your M22, first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.